Today I'm so excited that I am going to be fixing up my front porch slash outdoor area. It's not really a porch, but it's what I have. So I'm going to be fixing it up today, bringing some fall in. I'm excited for fall. I'm excited. I'm in such a great place in my life, y'all, right now. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of weeding, and then I think I'm going to go to Home Depot because I need to pick up some weed spray. I don't know what it's called, but some of the weeds are not going to come up so easily. So I'm going to go pick up some weed spray and spray this little area, and then I'm going to wipe some stuff down, and then we're going to get to decorating. And most of the items I'm going to use today came from Home Goods or Home Depot. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, so I did actually get to Home Depot because I needed to pick up the weed killer, and I also wanted to look at some flower pots, and then my eye got caught by these fall mums. So yeah, let's see what I end up with today. Once I got in from shopping, I decided I needed to have a seafood break. Even though I'm decorating for fall, it's very hot, so I poured me a glass of wine and I made me a quick seafood boil, and I'm going to enjoy that and then pick up this project in a little bit.
Wherever you put down your feet, you are not reason enough for me to lose everything and leave. You draw the line for the ones you care for, right over here by my bed. Somehow we know there's a hole between us, as you don't know what I'm feeling inside. It's all right here, all right here.
Smells good.
Yes, we were. And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're only us and no others, only us. But as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow. Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again.